My name is Sri Vilakasi and I'm from BCM. So today I'm here with an interesting topic about the transformation of newspaper to digital news. So let's don't waste time and get into the video. Before the appearing of printing press, the word of mouth was the primary source to spreading news. Sailors and travelers brought the news to the continent. Then, traveling players will pick them up and spread the news from town to town. One of them will walk through all the villages and spread the news about birth, marriage, divorce, and many more. Perhaps you have also seen in old movies how they are transferring and receiving messages from one place to another place. What is newspaper? Many of us have come across a newspaper or even read one. However, very few of us have had a chance of asking ourselves what the role of newspaper is in society or how technology has changed the newspaper industry. So actually what is newspaper for? To provide news of all kinds moreover informations to the businessman who wants correct market condition and the natural curiosity to learn about everything in general. A successful newspaper caters to all type of readers like scientists, sportsmen, cinema fans, businessmen, lawyers and unemployed people. Newspaper also published articles by well-known writers, commentaries by great men, book reviews by expert critics to all find their way into newspapers. Newspapers are a very powerful means of propaganda. They form and with public opinion. They also offer practical solutions to current affairs such as weather forecast, cinema schedule, as well as help keep a historical record of past local events. So, we'll start with the transformation of newspaper from old to digital newspaper. 4040 Acta Diurna. Ancient Romans also found a way throughout they distributed the news. In 59 BC, they invented the first so-called newspaper. Acta Diurna or daily doings were created by the government and contained information for the public such as chronicles of events, births, deaths, and daily gossips. In the beginning, people chiseled them in stone or metal. Later, people have handwritten and distributed these news in public forum or read them from scrolls by town criers. Next will be in 1601, Avizi or gazettes. They were handwritten and focused on politics and military conflicts. These gazettes were issued on single sheet folded to form 4 pages and broadcasted on a weekly schedule. Their format and appearance at regular intervals influenced the way newspapers look and are distributed today. 1690 Public occurrences, both foreign and domestic. Public occurrences, both foreign and domestic, was published in Boston by Benjamin Harris. This is considered to be first true American newspaper. Unfortunately, Harris was arrested due to including political criticisms. 1783. Right after the journalists succeed to have total control of the press, more and more newspapers have been published in America. By the end of the Revolutionary War in 1783, 43 newspapers have been published in the colonies, and by 1814 that number expanded to 346. In the beginning, only the wealthy and literate Americans could buy the newspapers because not everyone afforded to pay for subscription in advance. The subscriptions typically cost what a general laborer would make in an entire week of work. So you can imagine how difficult it would have been for a commoner to buy a newspaper. 1830 Penny Press. But the great part is that all that changes in the 1830s, when the advances in printing and papermaking made it possible to sell newspapers for 1 cent per copy. The technology advancements such as telegraph and the rotary press made it possible to quickly share news over great distance and also contributed to the newspaper's growth. The penny press made newspapers affordable to the entire public and led to an explosion of newspaper publishing across the United States. 1883. The Sun. Benjamin Day was an American newspaper publisher who founded The Sun, the first penny press newspaper in the United States in 1833. Printed on small, letter-seized pages, The Sun sold for just a penny. While the old printing press was capable of printing approximately 1 to 5 papers per hour, this newspaper sought out stories that appealed to the new mainstream consumer, such as human interest stories and police reports. It became such a successful and popular newspaper that by the end of 1835 it sold 15,000 copies per day. The first color comic in an American newspaper made its appearance in 1894. However, it wasn't the first use of color in newspaper. The journal used blue and red to commemorate an election in 1891, but color printing was expensive and newspapers adopted it entirely only after the 1990s. Right after the color printing features was in Virgo, the number of North American newspapers that incorporated color increased from 12% in 1979 to 97% by 1993, according to the New York Times. Moving on with the history of newspaper to the earlier 20th century, when journalists began to include modern features such as banner headlines, photos, illustration and comics, even news that has always been newspaper staples. These are important elements that we still see today in newspaper. In 2020, digital newspaper. A digital newspaper is a digital version of a printed newspaper. Newspapers can be digitally published online or as a digital copy on a digital device, such as mobile phones or an e-ink reader. The invention and innovation. Who invented? Johann Carolus is the first person who invented the newspaper. He invented this because he had to think of new ways to guarantee a financial stability for his company. Then the first weekly printed newspaper was born and was titled Relation Aller, which is fame and memorable histories. For the innovation, the newspaper starts to change era by many particles. At first, people grabbed newspapers just to update themselves about the latest and daily news, but now the content of newspapers starts to change from boarding to entertainment. Kids get attracted with the newspaper innovation with many games, examples Sudoku, Maze, Find the Difference games and many more. Even newspaper in 20s, they have particular sections to put content, so all the news is arranged in order, example sports, food, worldwide news, local news, vacancies available and many more. 40s till 70s and 90s era newspaper were printed in dull colors, but now all the outer even the content are in color printed with special fonts for the wording. Apart from that, what are the impacts of society and the countries by the introduction of newspaper to this world? The first one will be serve as a mirror of public opinion. This is because the public can express its view in letters to the editors, which are published in the papers. In this way, newspaper creates direct contact between the nation and its leader. The next one will be used as an advertising platform. Businessmen can advertise their goods in newspaper and thus reach their customers. Newspapers contain several other advertising which serves a very useful purpose. These are means to bring together buyers and sellers. The last one will be learn to communicate. This is because few years before, people just use words to communicate physically by face to face, but since the newspaper introduced, people gets to communicate via it through digital just at home. Last but not least, have you all wondered how would be our future newspaper in this world? So let's watch the video. So in my opinion, maybe our future newspaper would be in a digital and also physical form. The combination of both elements. For example, the news will be telecast in a form of video on the physical newspaper, which we can change as the same process as we do with a television news. Okay guys, we have come to the end of the video. So before I end this video, I would like to explain conclusion. So from my opinion, I just expect that more people start, and I should start to read newspapers more often after and also this is because newspaper is a very big source and important and also a primary source of this world to get all the information about, and this will be the main source of the world to receive and give information to all the people in this world at one time. So I just hope that people get used to read the newspaper and enjoy the future newspaper if that could be introduced. And thanks for watching this video. Do like, share and comment below this video and share this video to all your friends. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you. Bye.